In today's digital age, where smartphones are ubiquitous, electric vehicles are on the rise, and renewable energy sources are gaining traction, one technology stands out as the unsung hero powering this revolution: lithium-ion batteries. These compact powerhouses have transformed the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In this article, we delve into the intricacies of lithium-ion batteries, exploring their history, inner workings, applications, and the profound impact they have had on society. The story of lithium-ion batteries begins in the late 20th century, when researchers sought a better alternative to traditional rechargeable batteries. In 1980, John B. Goodenough and his team at the University of Oxford made a groundbreaking discovery: a cathode material capable of intercalating lithium ions, thereby enabling higher energy density and longer-lasting batteries. This seminal work laid the foundation for the lithium-ion batteries we rely on today. At their core, lithium-ion batteries operate on a simple principle: the movement of lithium ions between the battery's positive and negative electrodes during charging and discharging cycles. The battery consists of three main components: the anode, typically made of graphite; the cathode, composed of lithium metal oxide; and the electrolyte, a lithium salt in an organic solvent. During charging, lithium ions migrate from the cathode to the anode through the electrolyte, where they are stored in the anode's graphite structure. When the battery is discharged, the ions travel back to the cathode, releasing energy that powers our devices or vehicles. Lithium-ion batteries have permeated nearly every aspect of modern life, powering a myriad of devices and technologies: smartphones, laptops, tablets. These ubiquitous gadgets rely on lithium-ion batteries to keep us connected and productive on the go. The high energy density and lightweight nature of lithium-ion batteries make them the ideal choice for portable electronics, offering long-lasting power in a compact form factor. As the world shifts towards sustainable transportation, lithium-ion batteries have emerged as the driving force behind electric vehicles. From Tesla's Model S to the Nissan Leaf, EV manufacturers harness the power of lithium-ion technology to deliver clean, efficient, and high-performance vehicles that rival their gasoline-powered counterparts. The intermittent nature of renewable energy sources like solar and wind necessitates efficient energy storage solutions. Lithium-ion batteries play a crucial role in storing excess energy generated by solar panels or wind turbines, allowing for grid stability and enabling the widespread adoption of renewable energy systems. Beyond individual households, lithium-ion batteries are also deployed at the grid level to enhance reliability, balance supply and demand, and mitigate the effects of power outages. Large-scale battery storage systems provide grid operators with flexible and responsive storage capacity, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and bolstering the transition to a clean energy future.